go. I'm gonna get you to turn to the screen right now and have a look at our video right here. So we're gonna show you that from washing to drying and even daily care, LG is the only brand that gives you total laundry solution. So allow me to introduce to you our latest innovative products that you love. So come a little bit closer if you want to, take some photos, IG story away, I'll tell you the hashtag later so that you can have a better appreciation of our beautiful product. So shall we begin right now? This is of course our hero product. This is our star, the LG TWINWash. If you already have one at home, I envy you. This is what we absolutely are loving today. Now, I believe you're already very familiar with our TWINWash because of our very big launch last year. How many of you were here with us just last year, 2017? We went through a very big launch. Welcome, thanks for coming back. If you are new to us, don't worry, I'll give you a quick rundown of what is expected in the year 2018. So, let me do a quick recap. Now, the LG TWINWash is a combination of front load, okay, and also a mini wash at the bottom. So I'll go into that just a little bit more. And the LG TWINWash is world's first. Now, even though there are many other brands out there that kind of have similar concept, we want to remind you that we are truly the world's first brand to present to you a washing machine set which can wash and spin 2 loads at the same time. Now, why is this so important? Because the LG TWINWash concept is very hard to develop because stabilizing the vibration from 2 washing machines requires very sophisticated technology. So you're talking about top of the line technology here. So you're asking me then, what is so good about, washing 2 loads at the same time? Is that a question that you have in your mind? Now, firstly, if I'm wearing white like I am today, right, I see white top and a blue beautiful floral skirt, I wouldn't mix them together in the wash. No, you'll never do that, right? We take care of our clothes. Gentlemen, do you wash your blue top with your red jeans? Would you mix them? Never, absolutely, right? So you always take care of your colors. It's like, is it true you don't wash, you don't mix them? Well, we learn new things every single day. For example, I see another gentleman with a white shirt and a neutral bottom. Would you mix 2 of them together? Never. So you guys are in the know. You guys are expert with laundry already. So we'll never mix our white top with blue jeans. And can you imagine mixing your babies, your beautiful newborn infant clothes with daddy's dirty socks? The horrors of that. So we'll never allow that to happen. So with TWINWash, you can handle them at once. So you don't have to wait for another cycle to do a separate wash. Now, secondly, who's green here? I love this place. There's tons of hang green stuff. You're all about going eco. So if you think it's a waste of energy and water as well to wash 1 or 2 shirts with the main big washer, well, this is also a very good solution for you. So imagine you just done your great workout, maybe you're at Triple Fit just upstairs and you have a sweaty shirt and your tights. You wouldn't just dump them and leave them lying around. You want to wash them, right? So imagine you had to wait for the new cycle to pile up before you start with your laundry. Now we have this mini washer, which is great because with the mini washer, you can of course wash everyday laundry without wasting water. Now, I want to bring to you a fantastic highlight of what we have right here as well. I want to highlight to you 2 very powerful features. One is the turbo wash and the other one, True Steam, as you can hear from there. So apart from the benefits of separate washing, TWINWash models kept all the powerful features on the LG washing machine, including True Steam, the one that you heard, and also our Turbo Wash. Now, with True Steam, what's really great is you can remove 99.9 allergens and allow your clothes to quickly refresh, de-wrinkle, and also deodorize as well your clothes instead of using fabric softener. So in fact, with our True Steam, it makes your fabric even more soft, even more fluffy, and it's better because it's pure water instead of using chemical. And the next point I want to bring to you for Turbo Wash is that clean water is sprayed directly from the water tap from high pressure for a very clean rinse. Now, this is of course done in a spinning top with high speed, just like you taking a shower. So the Turbo Wash enables not only regular washing cycle to finish in less than an hour while maintaining perfect great performance as always. Now, for perfect clothing care, it's the total laundry solution. So we'll bring you on a journey from just washing is just not enough. We are also talking about drying, right? After wash, where you need to dry it, it's a whole cycle. So, from perfect clothing care, we have drying, just as important. We are introducing to you, ladies and gentlemen, the LG Dual Inverter Heat Pump. This is a fantastic new technology that I want to highlight to you. Now, the LG New Dryer has many awesome, fantastic features, but I just want to give you 3 very quick ones because I know there's tons of information to digest and download. So these are the 3 main things that I want you to remember. Number 1, it's all about energy saving and also saving you money as well. Every time I go shopping for any home appliances, I must go for 5 takes. Am I right? Anything else is like, in the long run, you know, it's not going to save me money, but 5 takes gives you bang for your buck in the long term. So over there, as you can tell, it's 5 takes given by NEA, and with that, it is very proud to say we have the lowest energy consumption in the market and compared to other dryers with the same capacity. So you know you're getting the best of our technology. And secondly as well, like what I mentioned right in the middle, it removes 99.9 allergen. So that's great for you if you're sensitive and you want everything to be clean and full of, you know, free of allergen. And number 3 as well, this is a fantastic guarantee. I think this is the first time I'm hearing of this, is that LG guarantees you 10 years of warranty for both the motor and compressor. So you know for the next 10 years, if you invest in an LG, you're going to be happy for the next 10 years. So that's the 3 points that I want you to remember today. And now I'd like to introduce, this is what we have. Wow, look at all these, it's all in front of you as well. We'll do a product tour later together. Now, this is the new TWINWash model for last year and this year. As you can see in the slide, 6 models for 2017, focusing on big capacity. And now this brand new 6 more models of washer only, washer dryer, and even dryer that can be stacked with the mini wash. So with smaller capacity, it means that more consumers can also enjoy the benefits of TWINWash at more affordable prices. As you can tell, we've given you more play so you can be more imaginative with our different makes. Now, you can enjoy various combination of washing machine and dryers with the LG TWINWash. So you've seen what I showed you just now. I'm going to tell you how we can put it together. So this is what we can do from the conventional combination of 1 washer and 1 dryer, as you can tell over that side, or 1 dryer can also have 1 TWINWash with a dryer, or over here you can have 1 washer with dryer and TWINWash. So there are many different combos that you can go for, something that already suit what you have at home. So if you always wanted a TWINWash but you couldn't get it because you already have a washing machine at home, alright? Most of us will have a washing machine already. But the good news is, because of what we are doing today, you can now buy LG's dual inverter heat pump dryer and stack it with the mini. So we thought about what we can do for you to help you achieve your total laundry solution.